Okay, we're beginning the zero calibration for the MVR-300. We're using ambient air, room air. We're going to go in and we're going to initiate mag switch 1 for more than 5 seconds, and it will start the zero span sequence. LED will go from green to red, green, red, red, green, red, red, and so on until it's finished with the zero scan. Initiating. And now we're going to confirm. Green, red, and it'll go green, red, red, red until it finishes with the zero. We're at 1 green and 5 red blinks. We're almost finished with the zero cal. Okay, here we're going to do the span calibration using 404A on an MVR-300. We have the cal cup with hose to a 0.3 liter per minute regulator on our gas bottle. So what we're going to do is we're going to be using mag switch 2. We're going to initiate with mag switch 2. We're going to start the gas, and we will confirm that the gas is flowing with mag switch 2. The LED sequence will be green orange this time, and it will go green orange, orange, etc. through 5 oranges, and then we will be finished with the span calibration. Initiating on mag switch 2, green orange. Now we need to turn on the gas. Within 30 seconds you need to acknowledge that on switch 2. And now we're going green orange, and it will go green orange through the end. Green 1, 2, 3, 4. We're at 4 oranges, so as soon as it goes to green 5 oranges, once it's finished and done, the LEDs will blink green, orange, red, indicating that it's offline, it's finished, and it will go offline for about 6 minutes, stabilize itself, and then it'll be ready for operation. We're at 5 orange. And then we go green, orange, red, green, orange, red. We have a solid green LED on the MVR-300, so we are past our warm-up cycle after our span calibration. Everything is set. Gas detector is ready to be deployed.